Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of numismatics. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the 1974 1-cent coin. We'll be diving into its value, diameter, and its current rate and price in the market. So, let's get started. Now, let's talk about its diameter. The 1974 1-cent coin has a standard diameter of 19.05 millimeters, which is approximately 3/4 of an inch. This diameter is consistent with the size of most modern 1-cent coins minted by the United States. Moving on to the big question: what is the current rate and price of the 1974 1-cent coin? Well, the value of any coin is determined by various factors, such as its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. The 1974 1-cent coin, being relatively common, does not carry a significant premium over its face value in circulated condition. In circulated condition, you can typically expect to find the 1974 1-cent coin being sold for its face value or slightly above. However, if you're lucky enough to come across a coin in uncirculate dormant condition, its value can increase significantly. To determine the exact value of an uncirculate 1974 1-cent coin, it is best to consult reputable coin price guides or consult with a professional coin dealer. They consider factors such as grading, mint marks, and overall condition to provide you with an accurate assessment of its value. As always, it's important to remember that the coin market can fluctuate over time, and prices may vary depending on supply and demand. Therefore, it's a good idea to stay up to date with current market trends and consult trusted sources when buying or selling coins. If you have any questions, or if there are other coin-related topics you'd like us to cover specifically, we'll be discussing a 1998 penny and whether or not it's worth more than just 1 cent. This is a 1998 penny. As you can see, it looks just like any other penny, with the same size and composition. However, what sets it apart from other pennies is its potential value. According to some online sources, a 1998 penny can be worth anywhere from a few cents to several dollars, depending on its condition and other factors. These factors include things like the coin's mint mark, any errors or imperfections, and whether or not it has been professionally graded. For example, a 1998 penny that has been professionally graded and is in excellent condition could be worth upwards of $10. On the other hand, a 1998 penny with no mint mark and visible wear and tear might only be worth a few cents. If you happen to have a 1998 penny in your collection and want to determine its potential value, you can start by examining it closely with a magnifying glass. Look for any imperfections or errors that might make it more valuable. You can also use online coin valuation tools to get a rough estimate of what your 1998 penny might be worth. Just enter the relevant information about your coin, and the tool will give you an idea of its potential value. Ultimately, the value of a 1998 penny, like any other coin, is determined by supply and demand. If there are a lot of these coins in circulation, they may not be worth much. However, if they are rare and in high demand among collectors, they could be worth a significant amount. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about the potential value of a 1998 penny. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.